If ln y is equal to 3 sin inverse of x, then find the value of 1 minus x square times y double dash minus xy dashed at x equal to half. The options are 9 e power pi by 2, then we have 9 e power pi by 6, 3 e power pi by 2, 3 e power pi by 6. So we are given ln y is equal to 3 sin inverse x. We need to find the value of an expression which involves y double dashed and y dashed. So from this expression, let us exponentiate on both the sides. We get y is equal to e power 3 sin inverse of x. By writing like this, it becomes easier for us to differentiate. So y dashed is going to be e power 3 sin inverse of x into 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now we can replace this e to the power of 3 sin inverse of x is nothing but y. So replace it as a y. So we have 3y divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now we need y double dashed. If I differentiate it as it is, we need to use quotient rule. Please remember, quotient rule is difficult in comparison to product rule. So I am planning to cross multiply so that it becomes 1 minus x square times y dashed is equal to 3y. And we are looking for a 1 minus x square. So let us square on both the sides also. So we get 1 minus x square into y dash square is equal to 9y square. Now you differentiate. Keep 1 minus x square as it is. Differentiate y dash square. That will give you 2y dashed into y double dashed. Plus next time you keep y dash square as it is. Differentiate 1 minus x square. So you get a minus 2x is equal to 18y dashed. You can see a 2y dash common everywhere. So cancel a 2y dashed everywhere. So I get a 1 minus x square times y double dash minus x times y dashed is equal to 9y. But you can see we want the value of 1 minus x square times y double dash minus xy dash at x equal to half. But 1 minus x square times y double dash minus xy dash is equal to 9y. That means we need the value of 9y when x equal to half. Let us replace this y as e power 3 sin inverse of x. So this is nothing but 9 into e to the power of 3 sin inverse of x. Therefore the value of 1 minus x square times y double dash minus xy dashed when x takes a value half is same as 9 into e power 3 sin inverse of x when x takes a value half. You know sin inverse of half is equal to pi by 6. So it will be 9 into e power 3 into pi by 6, which is nothing but 9 into e to the power of pi by 2. Let's see what the options given are. 9 into e power pi by 2, which is nothing but option A. The answer to this question is option A.